Most guys think grip strength is just about how hard you can squeeze a rubber ball. They're wrong. You've been told to buy spring grippers or do more farmer's walks to fix your failing grip. But it's not working. Your grip isn't failing because your forearms are small. It's failing because your brain is panicking and your skin is literally turning into ice. If carrying 3 grocery bags from the car feels like a max effort deadlift, you don't need more muscle. You need to fix the 4 hidden neurological and biological shifts that accelerate after age 40. I'm going to show you exactly how to stop the sabotage and get your functional strength back. Let's get to work. The first reason your hands are giving out has nothing to do with your fingers. It's a neurological glitch I call crossover fatigue sabotage. The real term is transcallosal inhibition. Here's the mechanism. Your brain has a neural bridge connecting the left and right hemispheres. When you fatigue one hand to its limit, your brain releases inhibitory neurotransmitters like GABA. This effectively dials down the motor commands sent to the opposite hand. Think about the walk from the car to the kitchen. You grab the heaviest, bulkiest bags with your dominant right hand. You think you're being smart. You're not. As your right hand struggles, your left brain hemisphere starts screaming at your right hemisphere to shut down. You're literally sabotaging your own strength. This causes your non-dominant hand to fail significantly faster than it normally would. You aren't just weak on one side, you're neurologically throttled. The fix: stop loading your dominant hand first. To protect the neural drive of both sides, always put the heaviest loads in your non-dominant hand first. By letting the weaker side set the pace, you prevent the brain from sending that shutdown signal to your entire system. 1 down, 3 to go. This next one sounds crazy, but it might not be your muscles at all. It's your skin. It's called the skin friction deficit. As you age past 40, your skin undergoes a natural decline in oil and sweat gland density. This isn't just a cosmetic issue. It directly reduces your skin's compliance, its physical ability to microscopically conform and stick to a surface. Imagine trying to pick up a smooth plastic bag handle with dry, thin skin. Because your hands have lost their natural tackiness, that handle feels like it's coated in oil. It turns smooth surfaces into ice. Your underlying muscles now have to squeeze significantly harder just to generate the friction needed to keep that bag from sliding out. You're burning out your forearms just trying to create a basic connection. The fix: you need to restore the friction coefficient. Apply a fast-absorbing, non-greasy moisturizing lotion 15 minutes before you do manual work or carry heavy loads. Avoid heavy oil-based lotions, since those can make your grip slipperier, not better. This isn't about soft hands, it's about mechanical grip. Increasing that moisture level makes the load feel instantly lighter because your skin can actually bite into the handle again. 2 down, 2 to go. Most guys train their grip by curling their forefingers. They completely ignore the deadbolt. This is the deep intrinsic thumb collapse. Your hand relies on a crucial group of deep intrinsic muscles to stabilize the thumb. Research shows these tiny muscles atrophy much faster than the large muscles in your forearm as you age. Think of your forefingers as a gate and your thumb as the deadbolt lock. When you carry a heavy grocery bag or a tipping coffee mug, you rely on the thumb to keep the structural arch of your palm intact. If those deep thumb muscles collapse, the palm flattens out. This collapses the arch of your hand, stripping your fingers of their mechanical leverage and forcing them to give out, no matter how much you've trained your forearms. Your gait is failing because the lock is broken. The fix: you have to prioritize the thumb as the anchor of every lift. When you grab a handle, don't just squeeze with your fingers. Focus on the thumb wrap. Treat the base of your thumb as the structural lock for the entire hand. If the thumb stays strong, the arch stays high, and the fingers won't be forced to compensate and quit. 3 down, 1 to go. The final reason your grip is failing is that your brain has lost its calibration. It's the safety margin inflation trap. Around age 40, you lose specialized touch receptors in your fingertips, the sensors that detect slip and micro vibrations. Your brain is essentially becoming blind to the surface you're holding. Because your brain can't tell exactly how slippery the handle is, it defaults to a survival instinct. It panics. It starts overgripping. Where a younger person might only add a small safety buffer of extra force, an older brain might panic and clamp down, Near maximum effort for a grip that barely needs any force at all. You are redlining your engines for a task that should be a cruise. This causes instant, burning muscular fatigue within 60 seconds because you're essentially doing a max effort isometric hold on every trip to the door. The fix: you need to stop the panic clamp. You have to consciously recalibrate your force accuracy. Instead of reacting to a slipping bag by crushing it with everything you have, focus on the minimum force required to maintain the hold. Stop letting your nervous system flicker between 0 and 100. Control the squeeze, don't let the panic control you. Let's recap the protocol. First, stop the crossover fatigue by loading your non-dominant hand first to protect your brain's neural drive. Second, fix the skin friction deficit by using non-greasy lotion to turn those ice handles back into grippy surfaces. Third, prevent thumb collapse by treating your thumb as the deadbolt lock for your palm arch. Fourth, escape the safety margin trap by stopping the panic squeeze and retraining your brain's force sense. Your grip isn't failing because you're getting old. It's failing because you're using an outdated operating system. Pick one of these corrections, start with the non-dominant hand load or the lotion, and try it today. You'll be surprised how much lighter those bags feel when your brain and skin are actually working with you, not against you. Stop squeezing rubber balls and start fixing the mechanics. Comment THUMB if you had no idea your thumb was the deadbolt of your hand, and tell me which of these 4 points surprised you the most. I'll see you in the next one.